Oh, elderberry.
Let me try.
Where's Echinacea?
Echinacea is another type of.
Let me try again.
Okay, here, Larry. You can do it.
Can I do it really fast?
Yeah, if you want. Yeah, it's better if you do fast.
Okay, let me try
Ah.
that. One.
It's yucky. It's gross.
You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hopefully, elderberry doesn't sting.
5. 1.
Right, Lauren? Hopefully, it doesn't sting. Hopefully, we'll wash
1,
it
2, 3.
and it'll get better.
Okay, everybody, up